How to check messages on Snapchat without opening them. First, turn on airplane mode. This is the safest way. You can use this method if you want to read multiple messages secretly. The steps are: open Snapchat and let the messages load. Turn on airplane mode, disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now open the chat, read the messages, close Snapchat completely. You can force stop it. Then turn off airplane mode and open Snapchat again. This way, Snapchat will not register that you opened the message. The next method is use notification panel. If the message is short, you can read it without opening Snapchat at all. When a snap or chat arrives, pull down the notification bar. Read the text content directly there. Don't tap it or it will open the chat. So, if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay tuned.